So he's working on his 3G practice test. The main thing on this is the root pass. Most students have an issue on putting the root pass in, and the only issue is not hesitating on the side. So when you're going up, make sure you hesitate. 1, 2, 1, 2 up on those side walls to make sure you burn it in real well. When you're on your overhead, just keep a tight arc. It's going to help you very well. You got to keep that tight arc. It's everything. And practice makes perfect. He's working on his weave. You see he's doing very well. But before you take the test, practicing is everything, family. Getting comfortable. You about ready now. Hold on. That's it. That's it. Now you finish that one and then see you got this one right here. You can tie in right here. Yep. Get it in, fam. Striking that thing like a professional now, boy. You just hit it and go now, don't you? Remember when the striking was an issue? Now you just hitting it and going. See what you got up here. Woo. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, keep that up. That's good. That's nice. Check out Miss P over here, see what she got going on. Getting it in, family. Going uphill. Everybody learn in their own pace, fam. Don't be in no rush. Take your time. My goal is to make sure you get it. And Miss P went from barely could strike the arc, now she's uphill. So you can't tell me what you can't do if you do put a little practice behind yourself. She's burning and earning, fam. She's running about 85 amps. She's on this Millermatic 255. You get it in, fam. If you know somebody in the Southwest Little Rock area that want to learn how to weld, tell them about the Goodwill Academy off of Scott Hamilton Drive. 16-week program, stick welding, MIG welding, and flux core welding. Hold on.